The Cat Reman customer really appreciates the sustainability that Reman offers in that components can be reused and back to good life through the Reman process.
Instead of throwing your old part away when you replace it with new, you're actually recycling your old part by putting it back in the box and returning it to get rebuilt again.
Caterpillar machines have always been founded on that they were built to be rebuilt.
Sustainability is factored into Cat Reman early on, making sure that we do have a design that can be remanufactured through our processes. We can plan for that second, third, and fourth lives.
Our customers are in the dirt every day, so the sustainability is important to them, but the quality is also important. On the Cat Reman side, there are warranties available. It's a total value proposition.
It's everything that went into the product, from the time it was built till the time it was rebuilt, to the second and the third and possibly the fourth owner.
There's great opportunity for Cat Reman parts in the future. The reusability, the availability will continue to be of utmost importance. As machines age and our customers have the option to use Cat Reman parts versus new, there's certainly going to be plenty of room to grow for Cat Reman.